At Best Skincare Clinic Leeds, we offer professional consultations for PRP therapy in a safe and clinical environment. PRP, platelet-rich plasma therapy, is a treatment that uses a concentration of your own blood components to help support skin or hair rejuvenation. It is commonly used to help improve skin quality, texture, and overall appearance, or to support hair restoration in thinning areas. All treatments are carried out by qualified healthcare professionals following a full medical assessment, suitability check, and informed consent process. Treatment is tailored to the individual, and results can vary from person to person. A course of sessions may be recommended. A full consultation is always required to discuss your goals, medical history, possible side effects, and expected outcomes. As with any procedure, there can be risks and side effects, including redness, swelling, bruising, or temporary discomfort. This treatment may not be suitable for everyone and is only available to adults aged 18 and over. For more information or to book a consultation, contact Best Skincare Clinic Leeds today. Simple care you can trust.